Hello and welcome everybody. Muln stock on 11 January. Okay, so let's see what steps about this video on this stocks with simple movements. So if you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe, like to this video and watch the video until the end. Then we can start with good indications about what we can have in our movements. So let's see what we can actually benefit from all these movements. So first we can have on 3 minutes update. Okay, let's take the simple thing. Let's take the easy ways and the steps that we can explain it in order to know the price that can be on Mullen stock on 11 January. Okay, since we can see that 0 to 1 Fibonacci level here. Okay, so let's go for the part where we can have a lot of things that can be a very good indication for a lot of traders to know that this is to know that that thing that is going to be very fine for every trader on this okay stock. So we can have about okay from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level here. If we think that we can have the start from 28 December 2022, and we can take this part here also on 6 January 2023. So that means it took about 10 days or 9 days. Then we can say that the start of the 0 Fibonacci level is going to be about a value of 19 cents. Here it ended with increase about 46 cents. Then it decreased a little bit and went to the center. Maybe it went over the center a little bit. Here is going to be the center of the process. So I think this is having such a relation between this wave and this trend line on Mullen stock. If we think about the price that can be prediction, it will actually go here. Okay, it will absolutely, and it will have to take its value to move here. So it will have about 50 percentage increase and 50 percentage decrease, but here it goes to be about having a percentage of the decrease. Okay, has a probability more than the percentage of the increase. That is actually the thing that is going to be having such also a relation to 0 and 1 Fibonacci level. If we went for 15 minutes, it will give us a different shape. So that is going to be about the thing that we should check about for every part we can see on this modern stock. Okay, however, this is the thing that is going to be very important and serious, and we can say that the small stock movements that can be absolutely here. So 1 day update here, and we can say that this is a part where we can see for a lot of things very serious in our movements. So we can say that on 0 and 1 financial level here also from the side where it has to make such a decrease on 1 day update. So if we checked out from the part that it started to decrease and not in the part in the middle part that is start that is didn't end its decrease, or the middle part that it can give a continuous decrease from the resistance. Okay, here it gives us an indication this part is going to be below this the middle of the it's going to be a part where it has decreased below the center. Okay, on 0.5. So I think if we check out, this is maybe on 0.5 Fibonacci level. So that means it's going to be give an increased percentage increase and decrease. So we can also say that we have in ignorance of the wave to make such a relation to this red trend line, because since we can see this movement in decrease it didn't made such a movement that can go base through this red line. So I think if we checked out that this basing through this trend line here, and it went to be on this real area, so it went to make an increase in momentum here movements, and that is actually the thing that I could notice in every part that we can see on Muln stock. Okay, we can have our trading in Muln stock in every part where, or every time where we can see or check out. So we can think that is going to be also another trading movements in Muln stock. Okay, we can say that that is going to be about an increase in momentum. However, because this is about a thing that we can see that is going to be a result from all the things that we could explain. Also, we can say the reason for this increase that we have, so here can be returning to back to the part where we have to say it as a first major reason, that is going to be about the intersection of the slope line, that it has a start of a resistance that give us a start of the decrease in momentum and ended with another resistance. Okay, or it can end with a support that can touch it here, and also can meet the trend line, so it give us after it an increase in momentum. Okay, that is actually thing that we can check out on the part where we have to know that this is morning stock trading movements, and we can say that is going to be a thing that can give us also another trading movement in this form. Okay, we can put two trend lines here, and we can see that this can be an increase and it will decrease in momentum. A decrease in momentum could be from this part here. Okay, this is the intersection, and we can say that is going to be an increase after it. And I think this is going to be the thing that we could explain in all the series in Mullen Automotive stock explanation. Hope you benefit from this video. See you next in another episode about the price prediction and technical analysis on Mullen stock in 12 January.